because I'm trying to be who I've been all along. It's all my love which I could not forget who I was before this song. Don't walk out on me because I'm trying to be.
What's up and welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1979 Pontiac Trans-Am. This one here does have the 6.6 under the hood. Belt's a little bit squeaky in there. You can hear that. Get too close. This one does have power steering. Has the AC set up. We'll be checking it out, seeing if it works. I'm going to be pointing out any kind of flaws so you know exactly what you're getting when you get here. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe. I post videos pretty much daily. I have close to 100 detailed pictures of this ride, financing and shipping options at maplemotors.com. We're also going to be doing a walk around video, pointing out chips and scratches on the paint, undercarriage, interior. And if you like the music, join Southgate Production. Started posting some more videos here lately. That's my music channel. Gotta love the Bluebird. All right, guys, it's about that time. Let's go for a ride. I'm gonna check out the interior before we leave here. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think the horn works? A little game we like to play on the channel. The dash is in great shape. Interior in this one looks awesome. Look at the seats. I got a tag back there I need to put on. Package tray's in awesome shape. Headliner looks great. Nice and clean. Console's nice and clean as well. Little indentions from your arm. Starts up very easy. We've actually been blocking the gate with it. We'll be stopping to get some gas. It's below a quarter tank. Let's try the AC. Just pulled down on the motor. Should be working. Honestly, it's compressor's kicked on, so let's give her a second. She's getting cold already. Oh yeah, it's definitely getting cold. AC works. Wipers working. Horn, are you ready? We got a working horn here. Jamming radio. It looks like everything's working across the dash. The oil pressure gauge, water temperature's coming up, volts is working. All the way down to the cigarette lighter. Let's try it out and see what it does. A little bit of paperwork in the glove box, that's cool to have. Okay, the carpet in this thing looks pretty good too. Decent mats. Even the cigarette lighter works. Good deal. All right, let's hit the road and see how she runs and drives. Okay, getting ready to take off down the road here. I guess the whole clock don't work. There's one thing that doesn't work on the dash here. Anything I see, I will let you know. That's why I do these videos. Here. All right, let's roll. Good. This thing is incredibly smooth. It's not my sales pitch, I swear. This thing's very smooth. Straight going down the road. Speedo's working. Steering's tight. Nobody's behind me. The brakes feel awesome. Ready for that kick down? Oh yeah. This car is awesome. Feels good, kick down works. Suspension's just super smooth. Like whoever buys this, after you watch this video, you'll know what I'm talking about. This thing drives like a new car. We're gonna stop and get some gas. pretty positive the gas gauge works. It's on quarter tank and I don't want to leave it there. It's actually below a quarter tank, so it's time. We'll get some fuel. Turn signals popping up both sides. If y'all called earlier in the week and I told you that this was sold, we had a local customer looking at it. He decided to go with a different car that we had. He just had second thoughts, I guess. This car runs and drives awesome. Be sure to watch the video looking at the paint flaws. Mainly on this car, there's a few paint flaws and I want you to know about them. So that and the detailed pictures will show all of it. Let's get some gas. All right, up here at the gas station, I'm gonna put about $20 worth of fuel in it. Like I said, the gas gauge was below quarter tank. We'll be checking it out, see how accurate it is. We're at $10 now. You put the gas in right here in the back. And I'll let you know here in just a second on that gauge. All right, let's check this out here. So the gas gauge is right here. That's where it was at. We turn the car on and watch her climb. It's working. Let's keep rolling. Okay, heading on back to the lot now. One thing that happened during the walk around video, the gas gauge just fell off all the way to the right. It may cut back on. I mean, let's mess with it, see if it does. But it kind of looks like it's done for. It went all the way past full and just fell off. I don't know why it did that. On another hand, the door, the little latch here was getting stuck. I think I've got it sorted out now. But the little latch on the inside of the door was getting stuck too. So there was two things that I wanted you to know. Told you we point out everything. Try to. The gas gauge is crazy though. I was bragging on it and then all of a sudden it's gone. So yeah, right now we're heading on back towards the car lot. I am on the back side here. We got about a mile or two to go. And let's avoid all the dirt here instead of going through the parking lot. I don't like coming out this way right here, but it'll have to do today. See why I don't like coming out here. All right, let's go. Or anybody else shows up. Well, I do got the AC on still. Cut it back off so we can hear the car. Get on the brakes real good. Nobody's behind us. Oh, we don't want to hear that. We want to hear that. It was about a 3/4 throttle kick. I didn't floor it. I believe it would have busted the tires loose a lot better than that if I'd have floored it. Trying to see if the cruise control would work, but I don't think it is. Yeah, it's not working anymore. It's on there though, a little button. Went the long route. Are we getting the stretch? We are getting the stretch. Let's take it. Gas gauge is back. I guess the little float's sticking back here. It's working now. Nice truck sitting over there in Mako's parking lot. Huh. We've made it back to the lot. Guys, be sure to hit subscribe if you want to see daily content from Maple Motors. I do thank y'all for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Later, guys.